Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get this cinematic effect for your clips in CapCut. So first, after you add your clips to CapCut, just go to filter and then go to movies and find the green orange filter. Okay, this one, and set it to around 70. Okay, now click on the adjust tab and follow the settings. So for the contrast, you need to increase it to 5, fade 10, then add some grain effect around 5. And that's it, you are done, and you'll get this cinematic effect for your videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.